Hi everyone, this is Teresa at Owl's Nest Quilters and welcome to FYI. Today I'm going to talk with you about one of my favorite embroidery stabilizers. This stabilizer is called a no-show mesh. So what makes this mesh special is its gridded design. You can see on the stabilizer there's actually a waffly looking weave design to it. This gives this thin cutaway stabilizer its strength. So one of my favorite uses for this stabilizer is turning things that are intended to be stitched onto something like these Mickey and Minnie designs into standalone designs that you can then use to hang on banners. You can use them to sew onto other things. What's really fun about this is when I stitched these out, I also wound my bobbins in the same color, so they're reversible. So this technique is really good for taking designs, no matter what their density, and turning them into standalone designs. So in order to do that, we want to take the no-show mesh and hoop a piece of this in our embroidery hoop. Once you get all the embroidery done in the hoop, you're going to have a design that's kind of floating on this white stabilizer. In order to remove it and make it look like these, you simply cut around the edge and free it from the stabilizer. So you'll notice on these two designs, you have one design that looks very clean. The other design has a little bit of white around the edge. In order to get rid of that, the way I do this is I take what's called a wood burning tool and I lightly place it on to run it across the edge of the design where the stabilizer is, and it'll melt right into the stitches. If I see any unsightly white spots, I can go back with a black fabric marker and just touch those areas up. Otherwise, they look like this, where they're nice and clean and they stand all alone by themselves.
Owl's Nest Quilters, because you love to create. Yeah.